Travel in 2026 isn't about luxury hotels or first-class flights anymore, it's about smart choices, flexible planning, and knowing the right hacks. With rising prices, digital nomad trends, and smarter travel tech, budget travel has completely changed. The good news? Traveling cheap in 2026 is easier and smarter than ever if you know what you're doing. Whether you're a student, solo traveler, family planner, or content creator, you don't need a big bank account to see the world. You just need the right strategy. In this guide, you'll discover practical, real-world budget travel tips for 2026, no boring advice, no unrealistic hacks, just smart, proven ways to save money while still having amazing experiences. 1. Plan smart, not early or late. In 2026, travel prices change faster than ever. Booking too early or too late can actually cost you more. Smart planning tips. Use price prediction tools on travel apps. Track flights for at least 2 to 3 weeks. Book when prices dip, not just when dates open. Travel midweek instead of weekends. Flexibility is your biggest money saver. Even shifting your trip by one day can save hundreds of dollars. 2. Use AI travel tools to cut costs. AI has become a budget traveler's best friend in 2026. How AI helps you save money. Finds cheaper flight routes. Suggests low-cost destinations based on your budget. Alerts you when prices drop. Builds cost-effective itineraries. Instead of guessing, let smart tools do the math for you. Travelers who use AI tools save 20 to 35% on average. 3. Choose budget-friendly destinations. Some places are naturally cheaper, and still incredible. Top budget travel regions for 2026. Southeast Asia, Vietnam, Indonesia, Philippines. Eastern Europe, Albania, Georgia, Romania. South Asia, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal. Latin America, Bolivia, Guatemala, Nicaragua. These destinations offer low accommodation costs, affordable food, and rich culture, perfect for budget travelers. 4. Travel during shoulder seasons. Peak season is expensive and crowded. Shoulder season is cheaper and calmer. Why shoulder season is better? Lower flight prices. Cheaper hotels. Fewer tourists. Better local experiences. For example, Europe in April, May or September, October can be 40% cheaper than summer travel. 5. Book flights the budget way. Flights usually eat up the biggest part of your budget. Money-saving flight tips for 2026. Use flight comparison websites. Check nearby airports. Book one-way tickets instead of round trips. Avoid baggage fees by packing light. Fly budget airlines for short distances. Pro tip: clear cookies or use incognito mode when searching for flights to avoid price increases. 6. Pack light and smart. Airlines now charge more for extra luggage, so packing smart is essential. Budget packing tips. Use a carry-on only. Pack multi-use clothing. Choose quick-dry fabrics. Carry reusable items, water bottle, utensils. Less luggage means fewer fees, easier movement, and lower stress. 7. Stay cheap without sacrificing comfort. Hotels are no longer the only option. Affordable accommodation choices in 2026. Hostels with private rooms. Guest houses. Budget hotels. Homestays. Short-term rentals. House-sitting opportunities. Look for places with free breakfast, kitchen access, and Wi-Fi, small things that save big money. 8. Eat like a local. Food costs add up fast, but eating smart keeps your budget intact. How to save on food. Eat street food. Visit local markets. Avoid tourist restaurants. Cook your own meals occasionally. Drink tap water where safe. Local food isn't just cheaper, it's more authentic and flavorful. 9. Use public transport instead of taxis. Transportation can quietly drain your wallet. Budget transport tips. Use buses, metros, and trains. Buy daily or weekly passes. Walk or rent bicycles. Avoid airport taxis, use public transport instead. In many cities, public transport costs 90% less than private rides. 10. Free activities are everywhere. Fun doesn't have to be expensive. Free or low-cost travel experiences. Free walking tours. Public beaches and parks. Museums with free entry days. Cultural festivals. Hiking and nature trails. Some of the best travel memories cost nothing at all. 11. Use travel reward programs wisely. In 2026, loyalty programs are more flexible than ever. Ways to benefit. Earn points on flights and hotels. Use cashback travel cards. Redeem rewards for free stays. Combine points with discounts. Just make sure you don't overspend chasing rewards, it defeats the purpose of budget travel. 12. Travel slow to save more. Fast travel costs more. Slow travel saves money. Why slow travel works. Fewer transport costs. Cheaper long-term stays. Deeper cultural experience. Less stress. Staying longer in one place often gets you discounted accommodation rates. 13. Work while you travel. More people are combining work and travel in 2026. Budget-friendly work options. Remote jobs. Freelancing. Online teaching. Content creation. Short-term local work, where legal. Earning while traveling helps cover expenses and extend trips. 14. Avoid tourist traps. Tourist areas are designed to take your money. How to avoid overpaying. Walk a few streets away from main attractions. Ask locals for recommendations. Compare prices before buying. Skip overpriced souvenirs. Authentic experiences are usually cheaper and more memorable. 15. Travel insurance is not optional. Skipping insurance to save money often backfires. Why insurance matters. Medical emergencies are expensive. Lost luggage costs money. Trip cancellations happen. Budget-friendly travel insurance plans exist, and they can save you thousands in emergencies. 16. Track your spending daily. Small expenses add up fast. Simple budget tracking tips. Set a daily spending limit. Use expense tracking apps. Review spending every night. Adjust plans if needed. Awareness is key to staying within budget. 17. Be flexible with everything. Flexibility is the ultimate budget travel secret. Be flexible with dates, destinations, routes, accommodation, activities. The more flexible you are, the more money you save. 18. Learn basic local phrases. This might sound small, but it matters. Benefits of learning basics. Locals help you more. You avoid tourist pricing. Better negotiation. Richer cultural experience. Even simple words like hello, thank you, and how much go a long way. 19. Use social media wisely. Social media isn't just for photos, it's a travel tool. How to use it for savings. Follow travel deal pages. Join budget travel groups. Watch real cost breakdowns. Learn from traveler experiences. Just don't compare your journey to highlight reels. 20. Remember, budget travel is a mindset. Budget travel isn't about being cheap, it's about being intentional. You choose. Experiences over luxury. Memories over material things. Smart planning over impulse spending. And that mindset makes travel more meaningful. Budget travel in 2026 is not only possible, it's powerful. With smart planning, flexible thinking, and the right tools, you can explore more places, meet more people, and create unforgettable memories without financial stress. The world is still wide open, and you don't need a big budget to experience it. All you need is curiosity, courage, and a little strategy. Travel smart, spend wisely, and let your journey, not your money, define your adventure.